this is the time where you should be very cautious on the market, because market is ready to show you the huge tremendous movement in upcoming days, in upcoming weeks. We are expecting 1000 to 1500 points of up move or down move in Nifty, and 3000 to 5000 points of up move or down move in Bank Nifty. Hello, my name is Pr.oper. Welcome back to your own investment and trading desk, Stake Planner. Let's quickly start our weekly market outlook, but before going forward, let's have a quick recap of what we informed you in last week video and how market performed on that video. In last video, we saw that market was stuck in a range of 200 to 300 points within 17,550 and 600 to 17,800. This is the 200 to 300 points of move and range where market is stuck. But the thing is, when market broke 17,800, market has directly reached towards 18,200 level. And how you should have trade this kind of market where market has been in a range bound and given breakout. So how can you justify that this is the proper breakout and we should buy? So for that, we have given you the levels to trade in last video, which was the 17,700 and to 17,800 on the upside and 17,600 to 550 on the downside. So we told you that any side levels of market break for 15 minutes for consecutive 2 candles, then you need to act on that candle. As you all saw that market has given you the non-stop rally from 17,600 to 18,200 to 250 levels. So but before that, market has given you the fake down, which is near around 17,580 to 600 levels, and from that market has suddenly reversed for its 18,250 levels. So if you have traded that level, you must have earned a very good return. But this is all about last week. Now let's come to this week. What we are speaking about, that market will going in a tremendous way, that whether it's upside or downside, 1000 to 2000 points of move. We know very well that you must have thinking that this person is talking on both sides, upside too and downside too. How we should take trade. So for that, we need to focus on the levels. I can't give you bias rules or bias trading setup for the trade, and if market reverse and market go opposite to that, then you should not have earned anything. So for that, I am giving you both side levels. So whatever is your bias, then you have to act upon that. Suppose if you have a bias of buy side, then we will give you the levels where you can initiate your buy trades and earn a good return for 1000 to 2000 points of move in Nifty, and 3000 to 5000 points of move in Bank Nifty. And if you have a view of downside, then you must have earned on the downside too after the levels get break. So it's all depends on level. Once we see that level, which levels is that from where market can reverse and where it can reach to, after that you can trade easily and you will get some confidence that how should you trade in the market. So let's have the look on the levels in the market where you can trade. We will look at this level with neutral bias. We will not go with the bullish bias or bearish bias. We need to analyze the market with neutral bias. So first of all, let's start with Nifty. Currently, Nifty has given close on Friday's session on 18,069, about 18,070 level. Now let's see that how weekly levels will act. On the upside, Nifty have a resistance level of 18,280 to 18,350. Once Nifty break this level, then we must have to look for the Nifty on all-time high levels, which is near around 18,900, and above that we must have to look 19,000 levels. These are the two levels in this kind of 1 or 2 week where you can get your bullish side trade once Nifty breaks 18,200. So on the downside, 18,000 is the most important level where you can initiate your bearish trade, because market has given a good fall on Friday's session of about 100 to 150 points in intraday moves. So 18,000 is an important level. Once 18,000 gets break, then next level is 17,700 to 17,600. This is the support and demand zone for the Nifty. So once market reach to 17,600 and 700, then we need to reanalyze our trading positions and we will act upon that after that. So after 18,000 on the downside, 17,700 to 600 it is the range, and once market breaks 17,600, then we have a direct level of 17,150 and 16,800. So this is the 1000 points of move what we are expecting on the upside and the downside. above 18,280 we are expecting 19,100, and below 18,000 and 17,700 we are expecting 16,800. So you can consider these 1,000 points of up move and down move. But which side you need to trade, we'll have a look on that level after having a Bank Nifty's level. So be with me. First we'll have Bank Nifty's level, then I'll show you what is my bias and why we are taking that bias. So now let's come to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has given a close on Friday session near around 42,660 levels. So Bank Nifty also has given a good fall on the Friday session near around 1,000 points fall, and we have already informed you in our Telegram channel at the time of when Bank Nifty was around minus 500 points. So we got intraday 500 points of downfall in Bank Nifty and 100 points of downfall in Nifty. We have given, as you can see this, we have already given you the levels on 2 p.m. that market will show you 100 points downfall in intraday moves and show you the gap down on Monday too. So let's have a look on Bank Nifty's level. Bank Nifty currently have given close on Friday on 42,660 levels. So on the upside 43,600, and above that if market close, then we will have 44,150 level. So these are the 1,000 to 1,600 points of moves we can capture in upside. And once Nifty break and close above 44,150 level, then we can see 47,500 level, which is almost around 5,000 points upside from current market price. So these are the upside trading scenario in the Bank Nifty. And on the downside, 42,000 is the good support for the Bank Nifty, and if Bank Nifty break 42,000, then we must have a look at 41,600 level. But if Bank Nifty breaks 41,600, then we must have to look at 40,200 level, and below that 39,700 level. This is also 3,500 points of down move we are looking in the Bank Nifty. So we have given you the both levels, upside 2 and downside 2, with the resistance and support levels. You need to act upon that how can you trade on that level. So once market close its 15-minute candles above or below that level, then you can initiate your buy side or sell side trade in on that levels, in whether in Nifty or Bank. My clear bias is with bears because market has given close below important levels of 18,100 on Nifty and 42,800 on Bank Nifty. These are the two levels, important levels for the trend which are going recently in from 16,800 to 18,200. This is the trend which we are following since last 15 to 18 days, and market has broke that trend with 18,100 and market given close of below 18,100 on Friday's session. So technically I am bearish, and with all the levels I am also bearish, but I just need to act upon the levels. That's why I was waiting, and I am waiting for the levels, and I'm expecting that you should also trade on the levels only. Don't get carried away with any bias, whether it's bulls or bears. Don't worry whether what will happen. Mostly it will take our stop loss once we get wrong. Why my bias is on bearish side? Because market has broke the trend which is following since 16,800 to almost near 18,200 to 250 levels, and market has broke that trend on the Friday session when it gives close below 18,100 level on both indices, Bank Nifty and Nifty too. First of all, market broke the trend. Second thing, market has made a doji candle on weekly time frame. So, and that is also a red doji, which is a bearish doji. So, which you can consider as a on bearish side. Third thing, market has taken a resistance on the Bollinger Band from the upper end. You can look at the weekly chart and put on Bollinger Band, and you can see that market has taken a reversal from its upside of Bollinger Band. Now it can come towards its middle size of the Bollinger Band, which is near around 17,700, and if that gets break, then we must have to look at the 17,200 and below that lower band of Bollinger Band. Third thing is that you need to see this trend line. We must have to see that market has given a breakdown of this trend line, and market just retraced this trend line and given again a falling back through the downside level. So that's why we have taken our bias on the bearish side, and we have initiated a bearish trade. We have stop loss with us. We will exit on the stop loss and we will wait for the target. No matter whatever markets do, we need to follow the market. I'm not an astrologer, I'm not any kind of predictor that where market will go and what will happen. I'm just the analyst. I can give you the levels, and it's your job to follow the level and how you act on the level and how you earn from that level. So it's all about level. You need to have the trading on the levels. How you need to trade is wait for the 15-minute candle to close above or below that levels and then initiate your trade. This is all about weekly market outlook, the levels, the alert we given and why we given and our bias. Plan, invest, gain with Stake Planner. Stay tuned. Thank you.